Hi guys! So in today's video I'm going to share with you all what is inside my makeup bag. What is it for us? What if you carry makeup in your makeup bag or garbage in your makeup bag? Did we ask? No, nobody asked, and I also didn't have any other better content. Like I had a list of ideas, okay, but out of all those ideas this seemed a little bit better. Then imagine how awful other ideas would have been. So please cooperate. So this is the makeup bag which I carry. This is actually from Nykaa. In case if I'm going out for 1 or 2 days, I carry this makeup bag, or if it takes more than that, like more than 2 days, I have another makeup bag which I carry with myself. So this is the makeup bag which I carry in case if I'm going out for more than 2 days, and this is my mother's lunch bag. Find the difference. I'll pick out products in the order in which I do my makeup. By the way, I'm really sorry for your eyeballs. I'm also going to do my makeup while I pick the products out. For toner, I'm going to use this. This is actually from Pixi. It is their vitamin C toner. I've already told about this toner. I don't like this much. In case if you haven't seen that video where I tell why I don't like this product, you can check this link out. Yeah, this basically does nothing to my skin. Still, I carry this wherever I go like my baby because I have to finish this off. Before finishing this off, if I get a new one, I'm sure that I won't even mind this. So that is why I'm having this right now. In case if you are looking for a really good toner, please try Pixi's glycolic toner. What is it called? Glow Tonic. It is really good, like one of the best toners that I've ever used. Also Dr. Shet's glycolic and gulab toner, I guess that is. It is also like I either go for the Glow Tonic, Pixi's Glow Tonic one, or I go for Dr. Shet's gulab toner. Both are really good. Then for my eyes, I'm going to use this. This is actually an eye serum from Eclat. This is basically to tighten and brighten your under eyes. Like I personally haven't seen any drastic difference in my dark circles. Like as you can see, my dark circles are still there. It's been 1 month. Sorry, it's been 1 month since I started using this, but still nothing happened. And the reason for dark circles actually depend or varies from person to person. My dark circles is due to stress that I undergo, and I have basically never come across a serum or cream that works really good on my dark circles which are caused due to stress. I have to basically work on myself, and the tightening part of it, I would agree a little bit. I have seen a difference, and the brightening part maybe a little bit, very little bit. So overall it is a decent eye cream. Like I wouldn't say it is a great eye cream. In case if your dark circles are caused due to stress, nothing can be done through creams or serums. You have to work on yourself. And then I use my moisturizer, and for moisturizer I'm gonna use the Emolin moisturizer. So this is a very good drugstore moisturizer which you get for just 274 rupees. For 274 rupees you get this much. And then sunscreen. A good sunscreen is really important, especially when you have a face like this which has blemishes, dark circles, pigmentations, everything. Like you cannot walk around in the sun without sunscreen as though what you already have in your face is not enough. No, I don't like sunscreen and all, so I won't use sunscreen and all. Means afterwards there is no point in blaming your parents or God for how your face looks. You know what an elephant does? It'll take bath nicely, and after taking bath it'll take some mud and put it in its own head, it seems. Then you might think that is all fine, you're using sunscreen, moisturizer, everything, but why is your face alone is still looking like this? The elephant which I was talking about few seconds ago, that is me. And then I'll use this primer water from MAC. This is actually their sample piece, and every time it gets over I refill it. That's why it's still full. So I'll spritz that first so that my makeup sits perfectly. So this primer water actually gives you a sticky base so that your makeup sticks onto it. I usually do not use a concealer, or I don't even carry a concealer when I'm going out because I do not end up using a foundation. Concealer or foundation pa. I usually do not carry a foundation with me because I don't end up using foundations when I'm going out. So I only take a concealer with me, and even this I do not use every single time I'm going out. So basically my skin is flawless. No, not cause of that and all. Please don't get me wrong. When her face is like this itself, she's talking this much out. Don't think like that. What you think is right only. Like, I have very high opinions about how my face looks, but that is not today's topic. Today's topic is different. We'll start applying concealer. I use this MAC concealer because it is cream based, so it's really easy to blend. I've told this in so many of my videos, so please don't get me started again. Okay, see how easy it was? You don't even have to carry a brush with you to blend this out. I also carry this small beauty blender. I love this beauty blender. This is actually from PAC. Then on top of it, I'm gonna apply this MAC Studio Fix powder. In case if you're someone who loves doing light makeup and wants to invest on something, you can go ahead and invest on these two products. These are such a good combo, and even in drugstore there's a dupe for this. I heard that K Beauty's compact powders are a great dupe for MAC Studio Fix, so if you want you can go ahead and buy that as well. But for now I'm gonna use this because this is what I have. You can even use the Maybelline or any compact powder you want, but this I guess gives good coverage and it also blends really well. My shade is NC45. See the difference? And also, in case if you want a little bit more of a coverage, you can go ahead and use your beauty blender to apply your powder. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm gonna use my Lakme Iconic Kajal. Like, this is what I've been using for so many years and I'm okay with using it. So that's the reason why I've never opted for any brow product as such. You just have to remember one thing when you're doing your brows with a kajal. It's that you have to be really light-handed, and then take a spoolie and spread the product out. And by the way, this is the brush set. So by the way, this is the brush set which I actually carry around when I'm going out because this is so convenient. This is from Miniso. All the brushes are teeny tiny mini ones, and it is very convenient to be carried around, so I use this. For blush I use this K Beauty one. This is in the shade Deep Plum. You can use whatever you want, like you can even use lipstick. It's all up to you. So first I'm gonna take some blush and apply it on my eyelids to give that extra drama. Not a lot, just a little bit to give that dimension that we have done something to our eyes. And for highlighter, I usually take this one. This is actually a liquid highlighter. I use liquid highlighters because it gives more of that natural finish. I use this only when I'm going out in the evening. In the morning, Surya Bhagavan will take care of this job. I'll sweat like one pig, and after a while my face will become oily and all shiny. So no need of highlighters. Natural beauty. It's not natural, I know, but wait. Next is my favorite part. It is to apply kajal. Lots of kajal. I apply a lot of kajal because basically to confuse people. They should start thinking, oh, those are not dark circles, those are liners. I thought it was dark circles. They should get confused. What a wow, they should say. Finally, that is our aim, okay? I sometimes used to take green liners or blue liners with me because liners, they do not take up a lot of space, so you can take how much ever you want. So I roam around the streets with blue eyes, green eyes. Like, basically I used to be like one avatar only when I'm outside. So guys, if you want to see some serious makeup tutorials, tutorial is one big word. So in case if you want to see some serious makeup videos without me blabbering in the background, you can definitely check out my Instagram page. And finally, add some lipstick. Nice shade, no? So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and in case if you guys like the video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. It means a lot. I mean, it actually helps a lot. And also, in case if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, consider doing it, please. Bye.